Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. With its release still a year away, the buzz around this smartwatch has already started to take shape. From groundbreaking health features to a potentially radical design overhaul, the Galaxy Watch 8 could be Samsung's most innovative wearable yet. Let's delve into the leaks and expectations to uncover how this smartwatch might redefine the landscape in 2025. Bold move. The potential square design. One of the hottest rumors surrounding the Galaxy Watch 8 is a shift from Samsung's iconic circular watch face to a square design. This change could bring a fresh aesthetic that aligns more closely with competitors like the Apple Watch, offering a larger screen and enhanced usability for fitness tracking, navigation, and notifications. While this bold move might attract new users, it could also spark debates among loyal fans who love the classic round design. Will this change mark a new era for Samsung smartwatches, or will it alienate its core audience? Next-level health tracking. Blood glucose monitoring. Health technology has always been a cornerstone of Samsung smartwatches, and the Galaxy Watch 8 could take it to the next level with the inclusion of a blood glucose monitoring sensor. If realized, this feature would be a game-changer, especially for individuals managing diabetes or seeking advanced health insights. While it remains uncertain whether this innovation will debut with the Galaxy Watch 8, the possibility has already created significant excitement. Standard health tools like heart rate monitoring, sleep analysis, and body composition tracking are also expected to receive upgrades, potentially powered by AI for more accurate and personalized insights. Enhanced navigation. Digital crown and rotating bezel. The leaked information suggests an exciting development for a wearable device, possibly a smartwatch. A prominent feature mentioned is the inclusion of a digital crown, a physical rotating element reminiscent of those found on the Apple Watch and Pixel Watch. This digital crown would introduce a more tactile and intuitive method of navigating the device's interface. By providing physical control for actions like scrolling, zooming, and selecting, it reduces reliance on the touchscreen, potentially improving ease of use and user experience. The leak hints at the potential return of the rotating bezel, a feature previously seen on some Samsung smartwatches. This bezel offered a unique and convenient way to interact with the device, and its inclusion alongside the digital crown would create a versatile system for user input. The combination of these two features, the digital crown and the rotating bezel, would cater to a wide range of user preferences and interaction styles. Users could choose the method that best suits their needs and comfort level, enhancing the overall user experience and adaptability of the device. Performance boost. Chipset and battery improvements. Performance is a critical factor for any smartwatch, and Samsung is rumored to equip the Galaxy Watch 8 with a new chipset. This could translate into faster performance, better efficiency, and an overall smoother user experience. Additionally, improved battery life and faster charging are on the horizon. While Samsung's previous models have delivered reliable battery performance, the Galaxy Watch 8 could set a new standard, especially as competitors introduce devices with battery life exceeding 80 hours. Enhanced battery capabilities could address one of the most common complaints from smartwatch users, ensuring longevity and reliability. Ultra-wideband technology. Precision and practicality. Precise location tracking. UWB's high bandwidth signals allow for highly accurate location data, surpassing traditional GPS in challenging environments like dense urban areas or indoors. This enhanced tracking capability can be invaluable for personal safety, particularly during outdoor activities or in emergencies. Digital key functionality. UWB enables secure and seamless digital key interactions. Imagine unlocking your car, accessing your home, or even entering secure areas with a simple tap of your wrist. This eliminates the need for physical keys and adds a layer of convenience to daily life. Advanced safety alerts. The precise location data provided by UWB can be leveraged for advanced safety features. For instance, the watch could automatically trigger emergency alerts in case of a fall or other incidents, providing crucial information to first responders. Enhanced user experience. UWB can enhance the overall user experience by enabling more intuitive and responsive interactions with other devices and smart home ecosystems. Expanding compatibility. A strategic move. To broaden its appeal, Samsung might expand the Galaxy Watch 8's compatibility beyond Galaxy devices. By breaking down these barriers, Samsung could attract users who don't own a Samsung smartphone but are drawn to the watch's features. This strategic decision could help Samsung compete more directly with Apple and other premium smartwatch brands, tapping into a larger market and potentially increasing its user base. Expected release and pricing. The Galaxy Watch 8 is rumored to make its debut in July 2025, likely alongside the Galaxy Z Fold and Flip phones during Samsung's annual Unpacked event. Pricing is expected to range from $300 to $380, depending on features like size and LTE capabilities. However, advanced features such as a blood glucose sensor could push the price higher. This pricing strategy positions the Galaxy Watch 8 competitively within the premium smartwatch market, setting new benchmarks for innovation and value. The road ahead. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 is shaping up to be a formidable contender in the smartwatch arena. With rumored innovations in health tracking, design, and performance, it could redefine what users expect from wearable technology. However, the success of this device will ultimately depend on how well these features are implemented and their impact on the overall user experience. As we await more leaks and official announcements, the excitement around the Galaxy Watch 8 continues to build. Whether you're intrigued by its potential features or skeptical about its rumored design changes, one thing is clear. The Galaxy Watch 8 is poised to make waves in the tech world. Thank you for tuning into Techno Trend Zone. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. What features are you most excited about? And what do you hope to see in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8? Stay tuned for more updates as we inch closer to its unveiling. See you next time.